AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture. Hello and welcome. This is Neil with AgRevive.com. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the different corn farmers in the United States and where they're located and where they grow their crops. Now, as you might already know, I'm working with about 550 corn farmers nationwide. I'm going to show you how many of these growers there are in each state and where they're located on the map. Now, just to save some time, I'm going to list only the ones that have 10 or more farmers. Otherwise, this video here would be way too long. Alabama has 10, California has 14, Colorado has 11, Connecticut 11, Georgia 23, Illinois 15, Indiana 25, Kansas 11, Maryland 18, Massachusetts 11, Michigan 36, Minnesota 17, Missouri 12, New Jersey 13, New York 23, North Carolina 23, Ohio 30, Pennsylvania 31, Tennessee 28, Texas 10, Virginia has 16 corn farmers, Washington has 16, and Wisconsin has 30. Now, if you're looking for large-scale corn production or bulk corn or wholesale for your mill or silo or storehouse for trade or resale, then I can help you. So all you have to do is contact me by email or by phone, and I appreciate very much you watching this video. So for my contact information and to learn more about AgRevive, please visit www.agrevive.com. I believe there's an agricultural revival coming, and that's how I registered the name, and I will see you on the website. AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture.